I got guy pointed. 140. All right, I can just see him straight ahead of me out here. This is puppy Toby right here. Okay, I'm coming in facing right at guy. Oh, there's definitely birds. There goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Shoo. 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 Them birds ran right behind you, didn't they? You what? Shoo. Trying to run off on them. Shoo. Nice. Alright, so that's Guy pointed, and then his grandson came in behind him there and slammed on him. And then they all went, and he went, and Guy's here. You what, bud? Whoop. This is it. 16 minutes. It's our first find. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good example of the wind is coming at us here. The guy was here. The birds got up about 10 yards behind him, but these suckers run. I bet they were just upwind of him when he hit them, and they ran downwind. My puppy came in from behind him and hit him and had the covey. All right, that was our first find at 16 minutes here with Guy. Good boy. And Toby. Cool. Hi, Toby. Did you like them birds? Look at all them slobber on your head. You got a big old slobber head. Yeah. Good boy. All right. GoPro, stop recording.